A blessed day, ma'am. My name is Shander Jobert T. Espinosa, BS Criminology, 3rd year, Block 3. And the lesson or the topic I will discuss today is all about firefighting tools and equipment that was important when we have a fire emergency. The first firefighting equipment that we need in case of emergency is the fire trucks. But first, what is a fire truck? A fire truck is an automotive vehicle equipped with firefighting apparatus. The term fire truck usually means any other type of truck used to carry equipment or people to an fire emergency. When a firefighter says truck, though, then usually means a hook and ladder or aerial ladder truck. There are different kinds of truck in fire department, and these are fire engines, ladder trucks, rescue trucks, and aerial ladder trucks. So, what is an fire engines or fire engines trucks? Fire engines have a large pump that takes water from a small fire hydrant or other source. Next one is the ladder truck. Ladder truck is used to get firefighters to a higher floors. The ladder on the truck is raised and lowered using a hydraulic piston rod. The next truck is the rescue ladders truck. Rescue ladders are enclosed vehicles equipped with many of the same kinds of forcible entry tools that ladder truck carry. But rescue trucks also carry additional equipment for unusual rescues. They have such tools as acetylene torch for cutting through metal and hydraulic jacks for lifting heavy objects. The last fire truck is an aerial ladder truck. Aerial ladder truck has a metal extension ladder mounted on the turntable. There are some equipment that we can use in fire emergency. The first one is the clothing of the firefighters. Firefighters requires specially clothing for protection against the flames, falling objects, heat, toxic gases, or lack of oxygen, loss of vision, loss of communication, and physical damage. Next one is the protective headwear. Firefighters exposed to the hazards or head injury must wear appropriate PPE, which may include helmets and protective hoods. The next one is the fire helmets. A fire helmet is not designed to protect personnel from all conditions of hazards. It provides limited protection to the head when worn during structural firefighting activities. Next one is the protective hoods. Protective hoods should be worn whenever there is a risk of injury from heat and other flame to expose skin. Next one is the boots and gloves. Firefighters exposed to the hazard of foot or hand injury must wear protective boots or gloves appropriate in circumstances. We all know that ladders is important in fire management, and there are 11 types of ladder that can help the firefighters to extinguish the fire in the building or in the establishments. The 11 types of ladder are single or straight ladder, extension ladder, roof ladder, folding ladders, aerial ladders, tower ladders, elevating platforms, pompier ladders, pole ladders, combination ladders, and the last one is the articulating aerial tower. In this lesson, I learned about the many types of fire trucks, fire equipments, the many types of ladders, and the accessories of the hose. I learned also how to use and apply it in case of emergency. In the near future, I would apply this knowledge and ideas about fire management. It is very useful for me as a future criminologist because I can apply it in my community when there's an fire emergency, and it can be very easy to understand for me because of advanced learning in that course. That would be all. Thank you, ma'am.